Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, we tracked down the Gio'Steria. They moved and they have a new location and a new model format. So what it is, it's almost like a cafeteria style. However, on weekends, it turns into a restaurant again, which is really, really lovely. But it's wonderful for the owners because they were able to reduce their hours and have a bit of a life. I love this format. What you do is you go over and you pick up like a cafeteria tray, and then you pick all the wonderful things. And of course, I wanted to try everything, so I'm taking some stuff home. But we're going to show you what we're going to have to eat today and the stuff that we take home. Look at that. I'm trying one of these little hard-boiled eggs because I love them. And you got arancini, which are rice with little stuffings in the middle and then fried. You've got some chicken in the back. You've got lasagna, which I'm having. This is lamb. And then you have it with that polenta in the back. And then I'm also getting some broccoli. And questo pepolso? I think this is pepolso, which is beef. And then I'm getting this. It's a savory, like strudel, which is got all kinds of stuff in it. And I don't remember what's in it, but I'm going to try it. And then you've got these beautiful string beans and some potatoes in the back. And then she can make all kinds of pastas for you if you want. She makes them as, to order. So it's really, really lovely. This is a beautiful place, guys. And it's a beautiful restaurant. You can eat here like we're doing. There's Pete. And then there's another little space here for more tables. So on the weekends, when it turns into a restaurant, they're all set up for you. So this is a lovely place. We've always loved their food, but I think this is a much better way for them to have a life and still run a fabulous restaurant. Okay, so I'm trying these eggs with the strudel, and the strudel I'm interested in. And I want to try it because it's savory. It looks sweet, but it's not. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's really good. I'm going to try one of these eggs too. I've seen these all over Tuscany. I love hard-boiled eggs because they're a shot of protein. Oh yeah, these eggs are fabulous. So as I make my way through this strudel, I'm finding walnuts. It looks like onions and possibly cabbage, and just really, really good. And then there's big chunks of walnut in there. Oh my goodness. It's savory, but it's just so delicious. My lasagna arrived and it looks amazing. And Pete's ragu, this is ragu with cinghiale, which is wild boar. Pete loves it. He's going to enjoy. Oh my gosh, I just tasted this. What I love up here, and I don't know if it's a north versus south thing, but they use bechamel, which makes the lasagna for me. It's absolutely delicious. Okay, I could go nuts over this lasagna. It is seriously the best lasagna I've ever had. Look how thin these little layers are. And you've got meat, and they cook the meat like forever over low heat. And then they add mozzarella, they add all kinds of cheese and bechamel. And they mix it together so you get a bite of everything in every bite. It's just the lightest, most delicious lasagna I've ever had. Okay, so we weren't going to have dessert, but we're going to have dessert. This is a tiramisu with chocolate chips and a swirl of pistachio on top. And then pistachio chunks. Oh my gosh, it looks amazing. We're going to dig in and then we're going to go rest after this. Pete, do you want to take the first spoonful and show us what it looks like?
Here, this way. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
You can see the cross section.
Oh my goodness, look at that. Okay, we're going to get started. I'm going to show you this while I give you a little...
It's pretty amazing.
A little, primer on tiramisu. Tiramisu just means pick me up. And it was made, I forget the name of the chef who first made it, but it was made for some special Hollywood couple. I'm going to find that out and I'll put it in the titles there or down in the details section. But it's called a pick-me-up because it's got coffee. So these are like little bits of cake or whatever, sometimes ladyfingers, and you really dip them in coffee so they're super coffee-y. Then you've got this gorgeous pastry cream, and this has got a little taste of mocha in it. Then of course you can add various different things like chocolate chips and whatnot. Normally you just put cocoa over the top and layer the ladyfingers and the coffee stuff. And layer the coffee-filled ladyfingers in cream, and it's just one of the most delicious treats in the world, and usually not too sweet, which I love.